While some people are genetically blessed with nice skins, a lot of people strive hard to get one. A good skincare regime begins with a healthy diet, and a healthy diet should constitute a reasonable amount of natural food items like fruits and veggies. If you're looking at getting a glowing skin without using over-the-counter chemically processed creams and soap, then you should stick around and watch this video till the end. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by, and if you are a return subscriber, thank you for returning. Please kindly leave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't. Thank you. You're welcome back. Okay, so here are the list of fruits and veggies that we're using for this recipe. Do well to check out the description box for the full list of ingredients. Okay, now let's prep all the fruits and veggies while we talk about them. Orange juice can prevent your skin from getting dry, flaky, and chapped. The citric acid contained in orange is known to aid the formation of elastin and collagen, keeping the skin firm and controlling premature aging. Cucumber juice is known for its rich water content, which keeps your skin hydrated and nourished, as well as flush out toxins from your body. The silica in cucumber adds a glow to your skin and enhances your natural complexion. Tomato juice is packed with antioxidants, making it perfect for a young and healthy looking skin. Vitamin A, C, and lycopene in tomato juice offers oxidative protection. It reduces discoloration, spots, and acne. It even reduces large pores and gives one glowing skin. Ginger is a superfood that contains rejuvenating properties. Both consuming ginger and applying it on your skin have major anti-aging benefits. It contains numerous antioxidant properties that prevent free radical damage and protect against aging. The vitamin A content in carrot wards off acne, pimple, pigmentation, sun damage, and lots more. It even helps to even out your skin tone. The antioxidants in carrot fight against the free radicals in the body, thereby slowing the process of aging. Okay, now we're done chopping the fruits and veggies. If you are using a juicer for this recipe, the previous step is definitely not for you. Okay, now I'm using a blender. And the only disadvantage of using a blender is that it reduces the concentration of the juice. Well, it's of no disadvantage to me because everything, including the water, is going down the lane. Anyways, I'm just going to add a little bit of water and blend gradually until I am done. Just in case you've not subscribed at this point or you've not given me a thumbs up, please consider doing that. You can as well help this video get to as many people as possible by clicking on the share button and following the prompts. And I would also love to remind us that this is definitely not a magic drink. You have to take this for a couple of days to weeks before expecting results. So once you're done blending, that's if you're using a blender like me, go ahead and filter it using double meshed sieve or a juicer bag like this one that I always love using. But if you are looking on the side of losing some weight, you may have to consume this as a smoothie because soluble fiber can help you get to or stay at a healthy weight by keeping you feeling full without adding many calories to your diet. Yeah, and I love using my juice bag a lot because it helps me squeeze out all the juice. Yes. And if you're using a juicer, you may not have to pass through this kind of stress, but anything for a healthy diet, I'm in. So go ahead and you can squeeze it out. You can make this bag using a chiffon cloth. So here we've got our juice ready. Okay, now I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of honey, which contains anti-inflammatory properties that can aid with skin conditions. You can add more or less. Consuming honey regularly and moderately can help you achieve a glowing skin. It also takes care of all types of acne owing to its antibacterial properties. I'll go ahead and transfer it into my jug and allow it to chill before I take it. This can store up to 5 to 7 days once it is kept frozen. But if you are taking it almost immediately, what's the point? I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up and I would love to see you in my next video.